So here we have created our layers and all, right? Here we have created our layers, entire things and all. And now we are going to work with layers. What is the use of this created layers? Next one we have, after layer, which one we have? Layer off. So layer off means, so let's say that same way I'm having different layers. So insulation, just I'm changing this one as a, again, RAD. So RAD also I have same duct like this. And after that I have SAD, supplier duct. So number of layers we are having right here. Now layer off. Let's say that I want to visible only few layers, not going to delete, just I'm hiding. So how to do? For layer of short form will be LAYOFF. Just opening my AutoCAD. What you have to type? Layer of LAYOFF. If you type LAYOFF, enter, select which one you want to hide. Let's say that if I'm going for wall, just clicking on wall, enter. What happened here? You can observe. Entire surroundings of my layer, whatever I have created with wall, entirely it got hide, not deleted. It's just hided. And if I want to close my windows, just I'm going for windows. For doors, so doors we have here one, here one, here one. So total three are having. Just if I click doors, total doors will hide. If you want to columns, just column. If you want to hide RAD, if you want to hide insulation, if you want to hide SAD. So this is supply duct, right? What was my activator layer presently? Supply duct. So if I take supply duct, it will ask option SAD is current. Do you want to turn it off? So already it is activated. You want to off, it's asking. We have to give yes. Why? Enter. Now what happens? See, here total things was not deleted, just hided. See here, anything is there?
No.
No. So just I'm changing my layers as a def point, whatever I have previously, default AutoCAD. So here I'm going to create some things, whatever the nonsense I'm going to create, right? If you want to take my layers back, what is the command? Layer on, LAYON, we are how to use. Next one. For layer of LAYOF, layer on LAYON. Just going my AutoCAD, LAYON, enter. So what happened? Everything is came.
Clear.
So here only we have created our work. And these things and all we have created. Right? Everyone getting? So this I am going to delete. So this I have made for your reference. So if you want to hide anything, again LAYOF, layer of, select this one. Maybe I am going to hide my total insulation, selecting insulation. See, with single click and return a deck. This also. And if I want to hide my windows also. Now what I am doing now, this one totally I am copying, selecting this one, CO enter, copy from this position to this position. Now if I am on the my layers, If I on the layers, LAYON, layer on, enter. So for left side to right side drawing difference, in this layout, we have hidden every layer. Then we have copied left to right, means this one. If you on layers, you won't get in right side. You will get only original file, this one. So copied file you won't get. So this when we are doing means, whenever you are giving layouts with your project engineer. See here we are having only few things. In our building, whatever we design, if you have a number of things, you may get confused, right? For that each and everything, we are going individual prints, hard copies to our project engineer. So in this building, I have saved my only supplier duct. Again, LAYOF, enter layer of. I'm going to hide here supply and insulation. Here I have only written. This one I'm copying. If you see here in main file, I have offered my supplier duct as well as insulation. In copied file also it hided. Wherever you are using layers, it will activate and deactivate. Now this also I'm going to copy. CO, enter copy. Again layer on, LAYON, enter layer on. Now I want only insulation. LAYOF, enter layer of. Selecting this one and this one. Taking only this one. CO, enter copy. If you want only wall, again layer of LAYOF, want layer of. Hiding this also. See here also I have insulation. Here also I have. If you off here or here, anywhere, it will off. Now I want only wall. Taking this one, CO, enter copy. And layer on, LAYON, enter. If you see here, this is my version. In this one, I'm having everything. So whatever the thing we created, everything we have. After that, few rooms we are one room we are having one layers. Mr. Umesh Shivarao sir, can you please mute? Hello, Mr. Umesh.
Yes, sir.
Can you please mute for some disturbance from your side? Yes, thank you. So layer we created, layer off we have seen, layer on we have seen, then layer isolated. So layer isolated means if we want to highlight particular layers, for that one we are going to use LAYISO. Just opening mine. See, in this one, we want only insulation. LAYISO. Enter. I'm taking only insulation. Enter. Now what happened? Everything is hidden except insulation. Again, you have to take back layer on, LAYON, enter. If you want to see only walls, LAYISO, enter, taking wall, enter. Now you can see only walls activated, windows hided, columns hided, ducting hided, doors hided, everything hided. Only we are having walls. Again, LAYON, enter, layer on. You're getting, guys?
Sir, see, there are 3 drawings out there. In that only one portion only walls I have to isolate. So, what I have to do?
If you are created individual layer, you can do like this. If same layer, you can't do.
Uh-huh.
You're getting my point.
Yeah, I get your point.
So you
See,
see
if you
here,
copy paste.
yeah. Here I'm having wall only one layer.
Okay.
If you create a number of walls, number of layers, then you can play around.
Mm.
Clear? Maybe you are having
Clear.
electrical sockets, wires,
Yes.
firefighting
Yes.
lines, whatever the thing, you have to create your layers and you can work.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the use of this layer, now if I will see here, maybe I want to select only yellow. Just I'm going here, click this one, right click, select similar. You can see here option, select similar. If I click this one, you can see here only yellow line was selected, right? This you can delete, E enter, erase, CO enter, copy, M enter, move, whatever you can do with this one. Getting? What you have to do? See, if I want to take only columns, select your column, then right click, select similar. See, everything is get selected.
How I can count it? How many numbers of columns?
So count means you have to take count immediately. So if count means if you
Mr. Ilyas, one second. Can you tell others to mute everyone?
yeah,
Only you can speak.
few people asking questions, maybe they are getting some disturbance.
Yeah, questions okay, but other noises are hearing very badly.
Yeah. Can I please everyone mute?
Whenever they have questions, they can ask. I don't have any issues.
Yes. So please do needful, guys. Please mute everyone. You anyone having doubts, you can unmute and ask me. So if you want to find my columns, select,
Hello.
right click.
Sir,
Yes.
counting, sir. Counting.
Yeah, I don't know where that cow is making noise. That crowd something.
No,
Just
I'm asking. Please count the number
count.
of
Yes.
columns. Sir.
So
In our electrical, the number sockets and we have to count it. So this is very important.
So count it means just what you have to do. LAYISO. Enter. So select your columns, maybe columns, and enter. So like this you can count, right? You're getting?
Then I have to count it manually. So
Now we have to select all, and we have to
Can I
make a
select?
list.
If you select everything also, you can't count. So count some option is there. Maybe I'll discuss with you tomorrow. Even I forget that thing.
You can select and make a LI list. That it will show how many numbers are there.
So LI enter list.
You can use, I think, B count.
So there, go above. Above you will come to know how many numbers are. Just go down. Down. See, you can see there. LI list 120 found.
Perimeter. Sir, not how is say
No, yeah.
Here, right?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Yeah. May I know your name, please?
Total sorry?
Your name?
Deepak Gaikwad.
Deepak. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Deepak. You remember me.
Okay.
Yes, guys. This is also one good command. List here. We can find how many count we have.
But it seems it's not 120. It is less than 120.
Sorry.
See, first rows. It seems it is not 120. See, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 into 6, approximately 72. It will be less than 51, less than 61.
So we'll check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So okay, I'll take this one.
Actually, it
Up
is
to
counting
8.
hatch also.
Maybe yes, hatching also. So
because it is not a block. It is a separate like rectangular and hatch is there. For that reason, it is counting twice.
Maybe that 1 minute.
Yeah, you can check now.
Yes, guys. So that it's a single
Sir,
object, right?
sorry,
So
what
total we
is
are
hatch?
having the total we are having 60. Inside hatching also it's counting. So if I'm going here, so this rectangular it's counting separate, as well as this hatching is counting separate. So total here we are having here 60 columns. If you prepare this one as a block, maybe we are going to get accurate numbers.
Yes, when we create a block, it will tell accurate.
It will tell accurate. So it will become single object, right?
Yes.
Yes. So thank you. Even though I recalled my previous this commands and all. So
Whenever you select the machines in like FCU and all,
okay.
you make a block, right, for that.
Yes, yes.
When you select all the select similar, you can count that
Okay.
by
So,
making a list.
yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you for recalling me.
Yeah.
And we have layer lock. So layer lock means now I am on LAYON, enter layer unlock. Now layer lock, why we are giving? So if I am going to take yellow LAYLCK, enter, see carefully what will happen. I'm taking yellow. Can see any difference here now? The difference, can see anyone?
Yeah,
Yes.
the return duct has been
Reduce its
changed, I
color.
think. Yeah.
So again I am looking at layer lock. Now
Yes, the layer has been locked now. We
yes,
cannot able to move or
yes,
any.
more we can't do anything. So not only this one, here also, if you see here, so it's showing that lock symbol. If I'm going here yellow, here also lock symbol. If I want to delete this one, selecting this one, enter, erase, it won't. If I want to copy, enter, copy, it won't. If I want to move, enter, move, it won't. So if you prepare lock, what will happen? You can't do anything. You can't copy, you can't delete, you can't move, right? So this is about layer lock. If I want to unlock, layer unlock, LAYULK, just opening here, LAYULK, enter, selecting this one. Now it's became unlocked. Now you can take enter, copy, or move, enter, move, delete, whatever the thing. Here also we are having unlocked, here also we are having unlocked. But if I am going for this one, it's still locked only. LAYULK, enter, selecting this one. Understood, guys? Everyone clear about layers? Guys,
Hello.
yes, everyone clear with layers?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
So I have one doubt.
Yes. Go ahead. Hello? Someone is asking.